Bob from Blackmagic here, InfoComm 2025, talking about our new DeckLink IP100G card. So this card is designed to go into the chassis of a computer so that you can actually get 100 gigs of data in there. It has 8 channels of Ultra HD video that you can use. You can do simultaneous capture and playback via the 100 gig Ethernet port. So what it has is an QSFP port that you put in, and you're able to have full redundancy. It starts at $1,600. It's just another great way to add video IP capture and playback into a system. It's on top of some of our smaller cards that we have that introduced IP, SDI, and HDMI video for SMPTE 2110, but this is our new 100 gig card. So this DeckLink IP100G card is available shortly. It starts at $1,800, and for more information, you can go to blackmagicdesign.com.